What is up guys? So in this video I'm going to talk about Instagram new feature Reels. Yes, what is Reels? Reels is same as TikTok. So you might be knowing about TikTok, how TikTok works and how like you can make videos on TikTok. This is same as TikTok. So if you want to know how this works, so each and everything I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video till last. So guys, before I start, I just wanted to do a small request that if till now you are not following me on Instagram, so guys go and follow me on Instagram. I have given a link in description, so you can go directly and you can follow me, because each and everything I'm updating on Instagram, I am more active on Instagram, so you will be updated with my update. So guys go and follow me on Instagram. I have given a link in description. So let's start guys. I'm going to take you in my mobile screen and I'm going to show you each and everything how Reels works. So guys, this is my mobile screen. I'm going to show you how you can make your Reels. So before I start, I just wanted to tell you one thing guys, that if you have not updated your Instagram yet, then you won't get any update. You won't get this new option of Reels. So first make sure that you update your Instagram. Then once you have updated, I'm going to show you, you can go in this camera button. Now see, this is the update of new update, the live story and Reels. Here you can see Reels. Now you can hit camera button and you can just pause it. This is the timer. Whatever the timer you want to put, you can put the timer as well. And for example, if we whatever we talk, so it will going to record faster in speed. So if you want to lower the speed, if you want to faster the speed, each and everything you can do in this option of timer. 3 into 5 into 1 to 2 into 3 into whatever minus plus you want to do, you can do it guys. And this is the another option of effects. So this is the effect guys. So here you can see the effects. So if you want, if you just put a, if you want whatever this you want, for example I'll just take this, and if you record this, it will record like this. Then if you want to take the another effect, then you can go again on this another effects. You can go here, figuring out whatever effect you want, you can take guys. Whatever effect you want, you can take. Yeah, so make sure that you hit a record button, because if you are not, whenever you select your this, you hit a record button. Once you are done with that, now another option I'll show you. This is the timer option. Now the timer, you can put a timer also. Just drag and choose how long clip will be, and you can arrange as per your video. So yes, and also I haven't got this music option, because I have ISO, I have Apple phone, so in that they have not given the music option. So in your phone might be you will get this music option also. Here in this tabs you will get the tabs which you are looking at, the 3 into the smiley face, the timer one, and this alignment. Yes, this is the also a good, this is the, if you can see this alignment one, so you can put alignment. Whatever you want to do, you can do on this app. So it's same as TikTokers guys, it's same as TikTok. So if you know how to use TikTok, you can use this as well. So you just have to make sure you update your Instagram. Now I'm okay fine, so just we'll complete the video so you will understand how it works. And so once we are done with this, you can hit the right button, hit camera button, and here is the, yes. Okay, so whatever you want to do, you can do guys. And like I'm just discarding this video, and now the videos which you have made, where you can see, you go in your profile. Here is my profile guys, and here you will get the 4 tabs: your feed one, your Reels, IGTV, and your tag, who has tagged you. So in this Reels you can see your video. I have made one video on Reels, so you can go and you can check this video. This is my Reel video. I have got 1200 views on this. And if you want to see another people's, another accounts Reel videos, so you go in this search bar, and here is your Reels tab. So you can tap, you can see like what all the TikTokers, oh sorry, I'm sorry, This is reels. So who all have made reels, so you can see them here. You can just this is same like TikTok. You just have to swipe up and you can see the videos which the all reels account has made. And yes, so this is what you can do, guys. And so guys, I hope you loved this video, and I hope you got all the information about reels and how you can make videos and each and everything I have talked about reels on my mobile screen. So guys, if you have any questions or regarding reels, or if you have any questions regarding on Instagram, you can DM me, because each and every day I'm replying to each and every DM. So guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, because each and every day I'm going to put a video on Instagram on how you can gain new followers, how you can make new clients, how you can convert your profile visit into followers, how you can convert your profile visit followers into clients. So each and everything I'm going to talk about each and every day. I'm going to put a new video. So guys, make sure that you follow me and make sure you subscribe me here so that you be updated. Thank you so much guys. Goodbye.